Let's make some super pretty tassels out of this chiffon ribbon. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy, if you didn't know, and if you did, thank you so much for coming back. All right, so I have this chiffon ribbon. Again, I'm making lemonade out of lemons because I didn't read the description. I thought they were way bigger, but anyways, so I'm stacking all the different colors of the chiffon ribbon, and then I cut it to 8 inches, and then we're going to fold it in half. And there they all are, right? Now I have this little lobster claw clip. It's a smaller one, and I'm going to kind of roll up the chiffon ribbon and put it in the bottom part. See? Easy peasy. And then obviously we're going to do the chiffon ribbon so that it goes to the middle, and then fold it in half. Easy peasy. I think you can get these lobster claw. I think I got mine on Amazon, but you can get them at Michael's or anywhere that does jewelry stuff. Now I have some floss, and I'm going to take and unroll it a little bit. Now I'm going to take my chiffon ribbon and I'm going to really compress it where that loop is, just because we want it nice and, really small. And then I'm going to take this is the floss. Words are hard. And I'm going to leave a tail, and then I'm going to just start wrapping it really tight around the top, as close to that loop as possible, but not so close that it doesn't move freely. And then we're just going to wrap it around. You wrap it around as many times as you want. I like to wrap it around many times just so that it like adds to the decoration of it. Then I cut the excess, and then I tie it in a knot. Easy. I mean, we're not doing anything crazy pants here. We're just going to tie it in a knot. Easy peasy. And then I will cut the excess floss off of that. And really cute, right? I like the mussy kind of thing. So I rub it in between my hands to kind of get all of the pieces kind of separated. And so that it looks a little bit more boho country, but look at how cute, right? Then I'm taking a jump ring, and not a jump ring. It's a split ring. Also could get these on Amazon or at Michael's. And I just add my lobster claw clip to that. Easy peasy. Perfect. And then, of course, I can't stop there because y'all were asking what I do with my silicone beads. And I'm just showing you here, I make a bracelet. It's like a wristlet that we're going to use for a keychain as well. So once I get all of my beads on there, and the pattern I used was 5 solid, 5 pattern, 5 solid. You do however you'd like. And then I just tie it in a knot. I am using some, it's like a elastic kind of cording that I got at Michael's. And then when I do the knotting, I knot it 5 times. We don't want it to come apart. So, because these things are like little rubber balls. This comes apart. You're never finding all of them because you're going to scatter like crazy. Anyway, so once you get those knotted, then I cut the excess off. I leave a little bit because I don't want the knots to necessarily unravel. And then once I do that, I kind of stretch it so that those tails go inside the silicone beads. Does that make sense? I hope it makes sense. There it is. And look at how pretty. Stop. Right? I mean, I love it. I've told you before, I'll tell you again, I'm obsessed with these. And now with these chiffon ribbons, yeah, gonna be doing more of these. I don't care if I don't sell them, by the way, because yes, I know it's very trendy right now. Anyways, friends, thank you so much for watching, and I hope this inspires you.